Hey guys, welcome back to Angry Mule Garage. Today we are going to be changing out our 12-inch ape hangers to your 10-inch Amazon special T-bars. I know. They look pretty good. We'll see how they hold up. We're going to be doing a how-to installation on this 2017 DYNA Streetbob. We've been building out. If you haven't seen any of our previous videos, go check them out. We changed out the rear suspension, the springs, a few little mods, crash bar, pegs, that sort of thing. So today we're going to be doing the T-bars. We've got a lot of stuff planned for this, so please stick around, like, subscribe, and enjoy the video. Next thing we got to do is go ahead and get our two top or bottom bolts to the handlebar clamp off. That's a 3/4 socket, super easy. Probably got to bust them loose. That's why I had to take my fairing off. So we'll go ahead and get those busted loose. We're going to cover the tank. I got a beach towel, but cover your tank. This way you can go ahead and lay the handlebars down. From there you can put the new ones on and then kind of start switching everything over. Alright, since we got the handlebars off, we're going to be taking out the clutch lever, everything off those, putting them on the new bars, and we're not using the clamp T-bar. We're going to go straight into, so what we're going to do is go ahead and get those on and start slowly switching everything over. It's a good practice too. If they don't line up or something's wrong, you didn't spend all that time switching everything over for it to not work. Or if your cables are too short and you don't have the adapters, you can put your old ones on. And these don't feel right. Alright guys, so we got the bars on. Like I said, I highly recommend, we're not using the risers for this from the stock bars. We're going to keep those on. You know, that came with the bike. T-bars have their own nut welded to the bottom, so I went ahead, just in case they didn't fit, if there's an issue, whatever, went ahead, set the bars on the tank, all the wires, cables and stuff, made sure I could get the new bars on. So good thing I did that. I actually, unfortunately, the thread pitch was different. Luckily I have a tap and die set. I was able to tap them out and get them in, and they feel solid. I feel very comfortable with that. But it just proves my point. Make sure that you can get the bars on before you start taking everything off. Next thing you know, you're gonna have to do it twice. All right, so with the T-bars and Harleys in general, they are internally wired. So what we came up with was a thin piece of wire. We put our little 8mm or whatever on there for weight, leaned the bike, and fed it through. So once that's that side, then what we'll do is on this side, we will make us a little knot, tape them to, and just gingerly pull it through. So as you can see, dropped it through like I said with the weight, pulled it all through. Now we're going to have internally wired, nice clean setup. Pretty slick. My brother actually came up with it. Not a bad idea. Yeah, yep.